Now it's time to learn some words we use to talk about growing plants in a garden. This is an onion.
An onion grows in the ground, but the bulb, which is the part most people eat, grows under the ground.
Dig. To start a gardener digs in the soil.
A gardener has to dig many holes to plant a vegetable garden.
Plant. After digging a hole, the gardener plants the seed.
A gardener plants seeds in the ground. The seeds are covered with soil.
Water. She waters the plants.
A gardener has to take care of a plant if she wants it to grow. After planting a seed, the gardener waters it.
Hugo, how often do you water your plants in the garden?
Some of my plants need water every day. I water my vegetables every day. They grow big and healthy with lots of sunshine and lots of water.
He's weeding his garden.
Gardening is a lot of work, but you need to weed around your plants if you want them to grow big and healthy.
Ripe. This red tomato is ripe.
The tomato is ripe. That means it's ready to eat. It's red and ripe, and it looks delicious.
Ready to pick. This pumpkin is ready to pick.
That's right. It's large, orange, and ready to pick.
Well, we've learnt a lot of words about gardens and gardening. Now let's review them.
True or false? Onions grow in the ground. True. Onions grow in the ground. When they grow big enough, you can pull them out of the ground.
Time to start a garden. What's the first thing a gardener does? A gardener has to dig a hole for a seed. A gardener has to dig a hole for a seed. First, the gardener has to dig a hole for a seed, then she plants it in the soil.
Fill in the blank. He's a seed in the soil. He's planting a seed in the soil. After he plants the seed, he has to water it.
Unscramble this word. Water. You have to water the plants in your garden.
True or false? A gardener has to weed around the plants in a garden. True! A gardener has to weed around the plants in a garden. This helps the plants to grow big and healthy.
This is a pumpkin. Is the pumpkin ripe, purple, or spicy? Ripe. The pumpkin is ripe. It's ready to pick and eat.
This is a ripe green pepper. Is a ripe vegetable not ready to pick, not ready to eat, or ready to pick and eat. A ripe vegetable is ready to pick and eat. You can pick a ripe vegetable and eat it. Did you know most plants use the sun to make their food?